Social media isn't just about posting content, it's about creating meaningful connections, showcasing your brand or work, and turning attention into action. Whether you're a creative, an entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone just getting started, the key to growth lies in having an effective strategy. While there are countless tactics out there, let's focus on three foundational strategies that can guide your success. Understand your audience and define your purpose. Before jumping into content creation, you need clarity. Why are you on social media in the first place? Are you trying to build a personal brand, attract clients, sell a product, or grow a community? Your purpose will shape every move you make, from the content you share to how you engage with your audience. Once you've nailed down your purpose, shift your focus to the people you're trying to reach. Who are they? What are their interests, needs, and challenges? Where do they spend their time online? What type of content do they like to consume? Understanding your audience goes beyond demographics. It's about behavior, preferences, and emotional triggers. Do some research. Look at comments on similar accounts. Join online communities. Engage with people and pay attention to their responses. The more you know your audience, the better you can serve them with content that connects. Choose the right platform. It's tempting to want to be everywhere at once. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. But spreading yourself too thin often leads to burnout and inconsistency. The truth is, not every platform will be right for your goals or your audience. Ask yourself these questions. Where does your target audience spend most of their time? What type of content do they engage with the most? Which platform suits your strengths? If you're a visual artist or designer, Instagram might be your best bet. If you're a thought leader or entrepreneur, LinkedIn can help you connect with industry peers or potential clients. TikTok is great for short, engaging videos, especially if you're targeting a younger audience. Once you've identified the platforms that make the most sense, commit to showing up consistently. You don't need to master every trend. You just need to show up with intention, deliver value, and engage authentically. Create engaging and authentic content. Now comes the fun and often the most challenging part: content creation. The internet is full of noise, so your content needs to stand out. Not by being flashy, but being real and relatable. Your audience is looking for connection, not perfection. Show them who you are, what you do, and most importantly, why you do it. Here are some content ideas to get you started. Behind the scenes, let people in on your process. Show them how you create, plan, or work. Stories and inspiration. Share what drives you, the challenges you've overcome, and what you've learned. Tips and value-driven content. Teach your audience something they didn't know. Help them solve a problem. Be human. Share your wins, your struggles, and your journey in an honest way. High-quality visuals can make a huge difference, especially on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. But beyond aesthetics, focus on substance. If your message hits home, people will share, like, and come back for more. Also, don't be afraid to experiment. Try reels, carousels, short-form videos, or even lives. Pay attention to what performs well and double down on it. Social media success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things consistently. If you take the time to understand your audience, choose the right platform, and create content that genuinely connects, you start to see growth in both engagement and impact. There are tons of strategies you can try, but these three are a solid foundation you can build on. Start here, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to tweak things as you learn more about your audience and yourself. Let me know how these strategies work for you. And if you need help along the way, I've got you.